And today I have this amazing remote control which helps you to save a lot of time. You can use it for your socket and plug your devices. It can be some lighting, it can be some lamp, you can use it in garage. It's a very useful purchase for the adult person who are moving not so fast. If you need to switch something and it's like far away from you, it's work from the socket. You don't need it to do about batteries. This remote control you can easily put on your keys. I think it's a must-have nowadays, and I enjoy this stuff and I highly recommend this. You will like it.